how you can create a Novo bank account. Now let's just start. First things first, just open up your web browser and go to novo.co. Let's just do that and wait for it to load. Now before we start and while this loads up, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let's start. First, this is the page that you will come up, and right here tap on get started. And after you tap on get started, you will need to go through a few of the processes. So let's just see and wait for it. And right here now you need to type in your business email. Now type in your business email and create a password. Now let us create a password right now, and make sure that you've created a strong password. Now you can add a referral code if you have one, and it's optional, so it's not compulsory. So after that, tap on get started. Now after you do that, you will get a verification code. So let us go and open the Gmail right here and just get the verification code. Now this is what you will have to do too, so you can follow along. So just get a verification code and type it in right here, tap on next, and now you will have to just choose your business type. Now I'll just do single member LLC, and yeah, tap on next. Type in your first legal name and your middle legal name if you have one. If you don't, you can just go to your last name and choose a citizenship. Now make sure that you choose your citizenship correctly, because in the next few steps you will have to just type in your phone number, which will come up from your country. Right here, as you can see, now you will need to type in your phone number. I don't have one right now, so after you do that, tap on you next again. And after you do that, after you type in your valid password, phone number, you will tap on next, and all that's gonna be left is by providing some business info or some of your documents and reviews, and you will get approved and you'll have created your Novo bank account. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you create the account. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.